Hi viewers, there are 12 organ systems in our body and I am going to explain one of it, and that is respiratory system. Hi viewers, there are 12 organ systems in our body and I am going to explain one of it, and that is respiratory system. The respiratory system is the important organ system in our body. It gives us oxygen to our blood. Its organs of the respiratory system are the nose, the mouth, the windpipe or trachea, the bronchi, the lungs, and the diaphragm. Air enters through the nose and the mouth also. When air enters through the nose, then the tiny hair present in our nose that obstruct all the dust particles. This is the first step of purification of air. Then the air passes through the windpipe or trachea. Here, the air again gets filtered. This is the second step of purification of air. Then the windpipe or trachea branches out into two tubes called bronchi. Here, the bronchi have tiny hair named cilia that move forward and backward, moving the mucus inside. Mucus is a sticky substance which collects germs and other harmful substances that are bad for our lungs. Then the bronchi carries air into each lungs. Then the lungs have tiny air sacs named alveoli. These alveoli have the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen occur. The blood picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Between the nasal cavity and the abdominal cavity, there is a dome-shaped muscle named diaphragm. It contracts when we breathe in and expands when we breathe out. One fact about the lungs and the respiratory system are we humans breathe 20,000 times in one day. Aren't you satisfied by my explanation of respiratory system? Thank you. If you like my video, please thumbs up, press the subscribe button and do not forget to ring the bell icon. Bye bye.